Hello guys, this guy is Saitu Alugedere from Savitu Alugedere, and today we are going to make an origami spaceship. You just need a normal sheet of paper, fold the paper half and make a good crease and fold the paper this corner and this corner. Do the same at the other side. See you when I am done. And it should be like this, and unfold and just do the mountain fold. Okay. Here it is. It's like should be like this, and do the same as this too. Here it is. And turn it the other side and make a fat fold. That's a silly word. I fold it. Just never mind. Both same, whatever. And you have this pocket. Put this point inside to this pocket. But first, you just need to do this, so it will be more flexible. And if it measures good, unfold and make it more fatter. Mine one is not measuring, so you just make it more fatter. Then it will be thin again. And this time also the same. I'm sorry that time it take a while. And plug it in, and here comes to the last two steps. Fold this like this to here like that. There. Should be like this. And for this side, you just need to fold it this and here like that. And this time it's a little bit tricky. You just need to put this like this. Here you have here like this, and do the same as the other side. Here it is. Okay. At the back there is some flaps. You just need to do like this to make it go. See? If you liked it, thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Bye.